A non-governmental organization, Peacemakers, has honored some dignitaries for their contribution to the development of the Niger Delta region. Amongst the awardees is a real estate company, the Lifestyle Asset Hub Limited, headed by Realestate success strategist My Ace China, better known as Mayor of Housing. China, who spoke with Wish FM at the award ceremony in Port Harcourt, revealed that the secret to solving housing problem in Nigeria is a system called social funding. He also expressed joy at how the social funding model has reduced housing problems within the Niger Delta region just 6 months after its inception in the Niger Delta.
I came into Port Harcourt sometime 6 months ago with a business idea called social funding that allows an average workplace professional to own a smart home in a highbrow area of the city without breaking banks for as low as 4 million naira, 2 million naira, or 60 million naira. And during the course of the promotion of that model in the Niger Delta, I was able to meet a lot of people, and that endeared a lot of relationship building that made this Peace NGO to come to me for a partnership and award. So today we are here to get the award. But more than that, I've decided to partner with them, not only to enjoy the peace I'm enjoying in the Niger Delta, but to be able to promote that globally so that the rest of the world, we know that there is not only peace in the Niger Delta, but the peace can grow and become better. And peace is something that if we collaborate with each other, we can achieve. So I'm becoming a principal partner with this Peacemaker. So I'm becoming a principal partner with this Peacemaker.
To be one of the awardees, and I'm not taking it for granted. To be in the midst of dignitaries this afternoon, I think is one of the greatest things that has happened to me. You know, peace is priceless. You can't negotiate peace.
Cannot really solve all the problems by reaching out. So creating the 774 local governments in Nigeria was a very standing point to be able to take governance down to the people of the grassroots.
Very easy to identify with great leaders across the nation.
A professor of English at the Federal College of Education Technical, Amoko Yahaya Bello, says the problem of Niger Delta is the unwillingness or inability of its leader to lead by example. Professor Bello says this in Port Harcourt during the presentation of awards to some personalities across the country. Femi Ogukulede has more.
A professor of English at the Federal College of Education Technical, Yahaya Bello, says the problem of the Niger Delta is the unwillingness or inability of its leaders to lead by example. Professor Bello said this in Port Harcourt during the presentation of awards to some prominent personalities across the country. He said the passage of the Petroleum Industry Act is a case study.
Conflict resolution seems to design solutions through a joint problem-solving approach. When the conflict is successfully resolved, the conflict is transformed and becomes a catalyst for deep-rooted, enduring positive change in individuals, relationships, and structures. Thus, successful resolution of a conflict will ensure sustainable peace, which will lead to improved security and good relations among people, which could lead to human well-being and general development.
The royal father of the day, Eze Temple Ejeku, in his speech, urged the people of the region to embrace peace and shun all forms of violence.
Not only peace in Rivers State, but the whole of Niger Delta. They are very thoughtful, because without peace, the state cannot exist. Without peace, the Niger Delta cannot exist. Without peace, even your own community cannot exist.
The project manager of the 2021 Peacemaker Award and Summit, Orlando Dominic, in his speech, said the task of entrenching peace in the Niger Delta region is the collective responsibility of the people.
This project is to promote peace by issuance of award to personalities, even the low-class institutions in the country. These persons have promoted peace in one way or the other, because peace promotion is not just basically mediating for conflicts or being in the war front. There are initiatives you can embark on that is amical to that is good in the society. And that's why we deem it fit to sensitize even in Niger Delta and the whole world that this our region is a peaceful environment. Investors can come in to our region to invest.
However, while some radio stations and some partners were part of the awards, the sister station of Atlantic Television Network, 99.5 Wish FM, Port Harcourt, was awarded the Peace News Station of the Year. Femi Ogunkilede, ATN News.
Let the Mayor of Housing help you get a smart home.